Hello everyone. How are you today? Hope you're doing well. I just popped in to share something about myself that you might not know. So, whenever I travel, I love to travel. Whenever I travel, I love to be on the lookout for like the best restaurants, whether it's like a best kept secret or a popular tourist attraction. And so this, for the past like 2 days, I was in Buffalo, New York, helping my brother who lives in that area get some stuff. And so he pointed me to a few restaurants that have that are known for their buffalo wings. And I also did my own research. What I decided to do was go to two restaurants and compare the wings. So I went to Duff's, which is very popular, and I went to Anchor Bar. Right now I have these wings and I'm excited to try it with you. Okay, so Duff's came in this container. It's very durable and sturdy and it can be microwavable. And then Anchor Bar came in this container, standard. A bit of context. I bought the medium wings, the medium style wings, so the medium sauce. And I always ask for extra wet because I cannot do dry wings. No dry wings. Okay, I'm ready to try these wings. Enough talking. I'm actually gonna dip it in some sauce because, again, I like it extra saucy. So I think I'm gonna try the Anchor Bar wings first. Let's see. It's good. It's good. So this is the Duff's wings. I'm gonna dip it in my sauce, extra sauce, before I shout out. All right. Okay. I'm also looking at size. See if they gave me like any puny tiny wings. It seems pretty even. Some wings are a little small, some wings are bigger. It's fine. To warm up the wings, I warmed it up in my toaster oven, which might have made a difference in the texture, since I do like my wings hot, and I wanted to maintain some crisp. But yeah, overall, I think Duff's has a bit of a richer flavor to me. But Anchor Bar, there's a lightness to the wings that is distinct when I'm comparing both of the wings. All right, I'm gonna go back to trying the Anchor Bar with the Duff's blue cheese that I wanna do. And I don't really do a lot of dairy, but when I travel and if I wanna just be in the moment, I'm gonna enjoy my blue cheese with my buffalo wings. It's good. It's very good. I'm gonna try this one time, and then I'm gonna go about my day. I hope you enjoy your day as well. I'm in New York City and it's snowing actually. This is really great. If you watch my content, you'll notice that I make a lot of vegan foods and I do some meats occasionally. That's how I live my life. I like to find a balance between a plant-based diet and meats. And so I think it's important, at least for me, to have that balance within myself because I enjoy different foods and I like to try different things. But on an everyday, I just want to make sure that I can eat well and eat to live. So that's it. I enjoyed my wings. If I have a preference, I don't know that I have a preference. I like the crunchiness of Duff's wings and the richness of the sauce, but I also like the lightness of the sauce for Anchor Bar. I will say that the texture of the wings, Duff's, I prefer. So yeah, maybe I'll go with Duff's. But I actually do like the sauce for Anchor Bar. So both good places, to each his own. If you are in the Buffalo area, check them out. Support these local restaurants and enjoy what you eat. Feed your soul and sing your song. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye. Yes. Ooh.